It is 4:04 p.m. this afternoon. We got the CSX q316-11 eastbound mixed freight train. So they're on the way to the Grafton yard, heading east on Main 2. Let's check it out. Here we go. Red alert. What is that? Bad alert. Bad alert. Bad alert. On this rainy day, okay, we watch the train will go by as known as the CSX q316-11 eastbound mixed freight train. Cannot describe for the on this train. So my friend CJ and I met this friend before. He works at Pizza Hut with Ricky Diesel. This morning when I heard a B81511 eastbound empty load of coal train with helpers. So and now a train is coming this afternoon on this rainy day, warm rainy day here on the CSX shortline sub. So there's a Psycho Pulpwood flat car right there. Can you see it? Yeah, I see it right there. He chuffed. That's a Psycho Pulpwood flat car. They take him over by the CSX mixed freight train. There goes the tank cars. More than bunch than tank cars that I fought. Now where's the end of the train? Must be around there somewhere. Okay. Huh? And there goes the end. As the last tank cars of q316 ease over the MD Tower grade crossing, we watch with amazement as the train will pick up the speed, continue east of Powell without any derailments. q316 had made it, but just barely. The crew's risky gamble had paid off, saving CSX valuable time, fuel, and power for every train a little additional helpers at Parkersburg. q316 will continue to run on to Clarksburg and eventually arriving in Grafton, West Virginia yard the following day. As they headed to the east end of shortline sub, headed to the Bridgeport sub, we'll continue on the next journey. Woo! That was pretty cool. Alright, go to my YouTube channel, like, comments, and subscribe to Josh Ryan. And there you have it for q316-11. So, Josh Ryan, out.